He said, "We are sharing you." Na Adam and Eve, we are pumping a brazen, we make
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Eagle, and today we are at Mr. Kwete's shop where he manufactures blocks and sells building materials. So as you can see, someone has ordered for some blocks and he's delivering them to the person. So I think it's been a while now since I put him on the channel. During the rainy season the market was a bit slow because it's very difficult to build during the rainy season. So since the rain is a bit down now, we are back again to show you what he has been up to all this while. So before we begin with today's video, I would just say that if you are building in Greater Accra, if you are building in Greater Accra, his location is at Dowenya. So anywhere in Greater Accra, all the way from Amasaman, Ashoman, North Legon, East Legon, West Legon, Kwabenya, Achimota, La Paz, anywhere in Accra, Afienya, Dowenya, Community 25, Tema, anywhere in Accra, you can just get in touch with Mr. Kwete. That is his number on the screen. He can provide you with blocks, cement, and also iron rod. If you want wood also for your construction, he can provide you with wood. If you want maybe a second-hand wood, the plywood for your decking, you can also get in touch with him. He knows people that are willing to give out their wood, renting them out. If you want to rent them out or you want to buy a second-hand, Mr. Kwete is the guy, man. Mr. Kwete has been the guy on the channel. His materials are what we use, for most of our projects here in Accra, and the cost is way reasonable. That's why I'm able to get, my construction on that lower cost, because if you have a good supplier, your building materials, are well organized. They are on site at the right time. You don't have people telling you, I bought this for 100 Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, they've taken their commission, and they are also trying to make money out of any opportunity that they get. So this, you deal with Mr. Kwete directly, yourself. If you need 100 bags of cement, you let him know, I need 100 bags of cement on my site, and he will make sure that they deliver it to your site. No libi, no laba laba.
Say the baby adwuma no mu na amanfo yetimi aseli your customers well. I say see how so far so good no. Baby are busy. The supply the ama yetimi introduce new things the aba system no wey design. Yogurt type, wey yogurt type. We no the share the floor no fie no we sie wie no. How person will decorate ho no. Now what else design send your friend. They are here. They say, see, honey, come fine. The colors, which means 7 night, the colors so after. You see a fellow test. Way no susunu. The air flower pot. The air flower pot now. Obasa we are flower pot now. Obetimi ayusu wesu e dia ye wo meat nothing. What they are garden that crazy and see. Odua nyama edu na e fine na wesu e wo floor na. We tap you to my cash the park e wo so. Say every so open design we so abanya. We see a nice design, we see the flowers. Anyway, difference you got we see a leaf star as an away to in your open now what you should. If you saw my Yatimia see or not, send me a cohon, now you provide the amount. So far, Mr. Quinty has advanced our blog work at the next level because you chow in so a simple amount of fear come, I must feel better, a chick. And when you feel now, you are feeling the feeling materials, you are feeling compartment. When you are better way now,
Just a quick one. This video was shot in January 2023, so the prices may be different from today's date.
And then again, 15 cities. We have 15 cities. 15 cities. Colored one, I will hold 15 cities. Oh, colored one, and you see 15 cities. Then I weigh 12 cities. We have 12 cities. The prices, we have no idea floor in our but the idea flowers, I have 15 cities. Baku. But it's 9 by 18. 9 by 18, 15 cities. Fair. One is 15 cities. It is 9 by 8. But we know design way you got me. Plain one saying 12 cities. 12 cities. Now in the colored one, I have 15 cities. 15 cities. Different long is a color boarding to me. To the company. They say I never be a cost look at crack. Initially, not a way 8 cities. Not a 8 cities, and I weigh 10 cities. But you see, I be a cost with my prices in assist.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it.
So one thing that I left out is that Mr. Kwete is willing to help anybody who is interested in acquiring or buying of land around the Dowinya Pram Chokboli Tamakum 25 in that region. If you want a land, get in touch with Mr. Kwete. He has himself land that he's selling himself. This belongs to him personally. So just get in touch with him and he will let you know all the details. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate spending your time with us here on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode.